Hey guys, welcome to another painting video. As you can see, I have my new puppy, Whiskey. He's a lot of problem, but it's also a lot of fun. He's always want to be with us, but well, in a painting world, it's not the best. So let's say goodbye to Whiskey. Bye bye. Bye bye. Our assistant is gonna take the puppy. And listen guys, today I want to do something special. We're going to do something with a funnel. I never did try it. We did use a strainer and a lot of other things, but this time we're going to use a funnel with about, I think we're going to use about 10 colors, and we're going to put only water to dilute our water to make it, our acrylic, to make it a little bit more fluid. And as I said, we're going to use a funnel, and we're going to see how it looks. I'm going to put a lot of water so that it's going to be fluid enough. I don't want to do like all the others on YouTube, so we'll see what happens. So let's go and try it, and let's come back at the end to talk about it. Let's go. Okay guys, so as you saw, I think the result, first of all, is great. I think we have a very nice result. The only thing though, what happened, if you like cells, you're gonna be happy about it. If you don't, well, you know what to do. Put a little bit less of water and you're gonna have a whole lot less cells, that's for sure. But that's what I wanted to happen. I wanted to see what would happen, of course, when we put a lot of water in our acrylic. And well, this is it, guys. There's cells happening. Just to show you that you don't have to use all kind of product like silicone, Floetrol, or what have you not, or even white glue. You just have to put a lot of water. Well, a lot. Let's not go crazy, but you know what I mean. Let's say a little bit more than 50-50, the mix between your water and acrylic. And you're gonna have cells. The reason behind this is that you create more air bubble in your acrylic, put in more water. So more oxygen, more bubble, of course, it's what happens, and you have more cells. I think it's very nice though. I think we have a very nice finish. If you want to have, listen, if you want to have more defined line, well, just do a pouring. One color at a time, and you're going to have great result, and you're going to have more refined and detailed lines from each color. So guys, it's always a question of taste, you know. So I hope you enjoy. I hope you're going to try it, because it's kind of easy and it's nice. Every time you do it, it's going to be different. But like I said, if you want less cells, use a little bit less water in your acrylic. So guys, thanks for being here. I hope you're going to join us on Instagram and Facebook. You're going to have the link in the description. And like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care guys. Ciao.